How do you go about promoting things that you want people to see on Fusion? Pages they want to go, documents you want them to open, or forms you want them to fill in? One really good way to do this is to use your school advertiser. The advertiser appears on everyone's dashboard, and if you're using the button theme, it's also available through here. If there's anything new at all, it will be in the What's New here. There's a separate advertiser for teachers, for students, and also for parents. So this is a parent login, and you can see the advertiser here, and it has a nice engaging image which people just click on to go to the content you want them to see. So I'm going to create an advert for students, inviting them to join the cricket club as an extracurricular activity. The first thing I'm going to do is think about what I'm going to put into the advert. How can I make it eye-catching? And what I usually do is I create small images for people to click. And if you have the know-how, it's really good to put the words on top of the image as well. You also need to think about what the image is going to link to. So if I go into my files, I have a folder called Advertiser where I keep all the things that I need for my advertiser. And in here, I've got two things. I've created an image and I've created the sign-up form for the cricket club. If I open up this image, you can see that it's just a simple image with a shape on top, and I've put on a call to action, if you like. I've added some text to the image so that people can see what it is I want them to click. For the thing that you want people to link to, it's a good idea to grab that link now before you start creating the advert. So in this case, I'll just open up this file, click on this QR code icon here, and there's my link to this item. Control C to copy it, and I'm just going to paste it into Notepad so that it's handy when I'm in the middle of writing the advert. So I'll just close this down, and I'm now going to go back to my dashboard and edit the advert. To create my advert, I click on New Advert. It's going to be a school advert, and I'm going to give it a title. Then I'm going to go to the body of the advert itself. This is what people will see. And I'm going to add that image. So I add image, go into the advertiser folder, and there's my image. And I'm just going to make it original quality, so it's nice and high quality. And then say continue. So I now have my image in the advertiser. And what I'd like to do now is add the link. So I just highlight the image, click on Add Link in the toolbar, paste in the hyperlink, and in this case, because it's inside the VLE that I'm sending people, I'm just going to allow it to open in the same window and say continue. And that's all I have to do. I scroll down, I click continue, and you can see I now have my advert ready for everyone to see. If I go back to my dashboard, here's the teacher advert, there's nothing in there, and there's the students one. If I click on that, it opens up the form for me to fill in. So that's how to set up an advert in the school advertiser on Fusion.